Welcome back to Profit First Allocations in my business, week number 5, looking over my shoulder so that you can see how Profit First works in my business. If you don't know of the book is called Profit First. It's written by Mike Michalowicz. Grab a copy. If you're a business owner, you will not regret it. It's based on the envelope system. And in personal finance these days, it's also referred to as cash stuffing. But Profit First is written for business owners and how you use it to manage the cash in your business. And so we're now in week 5. So you can grab the weeks 1 through 4 or other videos on my YouTube channel. And starting off this week, I've already updated my spreadsheet. I took the ending bank balances from week 4 and put them in column C so you can see where we ended from last week. And then in the charts down here, I've already updated the charts to include whatever happens in the ending bank balances when we're done today. Updating the spreadsheet will happen. So these charts down here, week 5, this orange column will fluctuate in all of these charts as I update the balances. So I'm happy to say that I had no spending of general expenses since week 4, except for this was a payroll week. So I did have to run payroll. Now, the way that I run payroll in my business is the payroll, whether it's wages or taxes, all come out of this OPEX account. But I put my compensation as owner of the business, I put that into a separate account to savings, to save for this, to fund. So my wages have to come out of this owner's comp account. So from this $12,000, my wages plus the payroll taxes are going to come out of this account. So I had to do this transfer before I ran payroll. And so my amount of wages plus the payroll taxes is $41,4038. And so I had to transfer that amount over. And then I ran payroll. So I have a part-time VA who helps me get some of my stuff done. And so when I ran payroll, the total payroll outgoing was $5,006.24. So you'll see how the OPEX account went from 7,800, and really I did the transfer first and then subtracted the money out and got to 69.93. Okay. So this is all of the transfers and outgoing cash that happened in my business since I did my allocations last week. And then you can see how, the owner's comp account and the OPEX account changed. So the only other thing to do this week is my allocations. So this week in my business, I had $1,578 come in the last week. And Google Sheets is actually amazing because it just did all those calculations for me. So let's see what just happened. So my deposits that came in, 1,578, that's how much I had to transfer between my different bank accounts, okay, based on these percentages. So $63 went into my profit account, $741 went into owner's comp, tax, I'm saving for Uncle Sam, $142. OPEX, I added 520, and then my mastermind, which that's my group. My mastermind is that includes my membership into Profit First Mastery, plus the travel costs because we meet twice a year in person. So I'm always saving to make sure that I've got my travel costs covered. So I've put $110 away for that. So I've allocated out my entire week of income that came in. And this is where I stand with my bank accounts at the end of week 5. Follow so that you can see what happens in week number 6.